My Alexis Darkotech girlfriend people, today we're testing a highly requested accessory, the MagSafe ESR 1 card holder from trusted brands. It's part of the mobile ecosystem, and this holder promises convenience and reliability, capable of holding up to 5 cards. Or if you prefer, a combination of 4 cards and bills is launched in 6 different colors, including navy blue, black, brown, and this white, which is the one we are going to analyze today. Key before opening it, it has an ultra powerful magnet and RFID blocking to protect your data. That the latter is difficult to demonstrate on camera, the packaging, there are no distractions, so let's get straight to the point. When we open it, the first thing we find is a very complete kit first. Universal magnetic hoop, ideal for installing in cases or devices that do not have a Mac. Factory safe, visual guides for accurate and error-free installation, and the ESR guarantee that is always excellent and includes a QR code with a step-by-step video tutorial. Here we have the card holder. The first thing you notice is that it feels solid and with character. It weighs about 55 g without cards, which gives us a clue to the quality of its materials. It is constructed of Bigal leather or vegan leather, which we know is usually high-strength polyurethane. At the bottom we find a 20 mm granule strategically designed to slide your finger and remove the cards quickly and easily. Now let's do the test with the iPhone. I am also using a clear ESR brand sleeve. The white-on-white combination looks amazing, very minimalist. Let's talk about force of attraction. According to the brand, it uses an arrangement of 20 magnets that generate a force of 3200 G in practice. I tell you that it is not at all easy to accidentally remove it. It feels really glued to the phone, even charging it with 3 cards. The fit is firm and secure for everyday use. Having room for up to 4 or 5 cards seems to me to be the exact spot between functionality and design if you are looking for magnetic security and good materials. ESR did it again. Well, my people have been using the ESR card holder for about a week now. I really thought it was very good. It is true that it is tight to get the cards out the first week. If you come and click here, for example, the cards come out. It may be a little difficult at first to remove the cards, but it hasn't really been a problem for me, since most of these cards I already have digitized in the Apple Wallet. So with use it is obviously going to get a little softer, and it will be easier and easier to remove the cards. Maybe in the unbox video, if it doesn't look good. But on the white iPhone, look at what the white ESR card looks like. It looks extremely aesthetic. It looks quite good. It looks as if it were part of the iPhone. It doesn't look very different from the original Apple Wallet. The material feels pretty good. It's not easy to remove. It's not that someone is going to come and take it off you that easy. I mean, it's really quite difficult to remove, and is really a good option. Sometimes there are doubts regarding the accessories, if how good they are being original accessories, but the reality is that this particular ESR accessory has been very close to reality. Well, I'm going to leave the link here in the comments in the description of the item on Amazon where I found it. You can also find it on the official ESR site if you are interested, and I leave you all the information here if you like it. I forget my people like shares instead of subscribing. Until next time.